अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इनसाइट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम पाक स्टडी के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द कैपिटल ऑफ केपीके इज़? पेशावर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ केपीके? एंड द आंसर इज खान अब्दुल कयूम। Question number 3, world's largest tribal society is? पश्तून। Question number 4 है जी, Lords of the Khyber is written by? Henry Singer। Question number 5 है जी, which area is called the gun factory of the tribal areas? डेरा आदम खेल। Question number 6, Kalam and Bahrain are important tourist point of Swat Valley. Question number 7, which mountain range separates Pakistan and Afghanistan? And the answer is the Hindu Kush. Question number 8, Kagan Valley is called? Pearl of Himalaya. Question number 9 है जी, the Indus River falls into the? Arabian Sea. Question number 10 है जी, archaeologists have identified some 400 Indus civilization towns scattered from Kabul to Delhi. Question number 11 है जी, Sindhi language is based on? Sanskrit. Question number 12, where is the National Museum of Pakistan located? Karachi. Question number 13 है जी, Manchar Lake is situated in? Jamshoro. Question number 14 है जी, the Dash motorway connects the city of Hyderabad and Karachi in the Sindh province of Pakistan. M9 motorway. Question number 15 है जी, who was the King Umar? The first king of Sumra Dinas. Question number 16, the third desert is called? The third desert is called Friendly Desert. Question number 17, the largest natural freshwater lake is in the subcontinent? And the answer is Manchar Lake. Question number 18, Mohenjo-daro means? Mound of the Dead. Question number 19, Mohenjo-daro is a 4,000-year-old city of the Indus civilization. Question number 20, the hottest place in Pakistan is? Turbat. Thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.